Let me warn you right now. You could be making one simple credit card mistake that destroys your credit score and drops it by 50 to 100 points fast. And most people don't realize it until they get denied for a car loan, apartment, or mortgage. So in this video, I'll break down the 5 biggest credit card mistakes that destroy your credit score in the USA and what you should do instead. Mistake number 1, late payments. Even one payment that is 30 days late can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. It can instantly drop your score because payment history is 35% of your credit score. Solution: turn on autopay right now. At least set autopay for the minimum payment so you never miss it. Mistake number 2, high credit utilization. Credit utilization means how much of your credit limit you are using. If your credit limit is $1,000 and your balance is $700, your utilization is 70%. That hurts your score even if you pay on time. Solution: keep utilization below 30%. But for fast credit score improvement, keep it between 1 to 9%. Mistake number 3, paying only the minimum payment. Credit card companies love minimum payments because it keeps you stuck in debt. If your interest rate is 20 to 30%, you are basically paying extra money to the bank. Solution: pay your balance in full every month. If you can't, pay as much above the minimum as possible and stop using the card until your balance goes down. Mistake number 4, closing old credit cards. Closing old credit cards can reduce your credit age, which lowers your credit score. It can also reduce your total credit limit, which increases your utilization and hurts your score. Solution: if the card has no annual fee, keep it open. Use it once every few months for a small purchase, then pay it off immediately. Mistake number 5, applying for too many credit cards too fast. Every credit card application creates a hard inquiry on your credit report. Too many inquiries makes lenders think you are desperate for credit and your score can drop. Solution: apply for one credit card every 3 to 6 months and only apply when necessary. Bonus tip: always check your credit report. Sometimes your score is low because of errors like wrong late payments or accounts you didn't open. Now, let's recap the 5 mistakes: late payments, high utilization, minimum payments, closing old cards, and too many applications. If you avoid these mistakes, your credit score will improve naturally. If you want my free credit score checklist, comment SCORE and subscribe for more USA personal finance tips.